Okay guys, yes, this is the part 2 of this video. So if you are watching this video right now, there is part 1 yes of it for you to better understanding what is going on. So watch the full part 1, then you come to the part 2. So that's it. So right now we're going to mount the shocks and the automatic actuator. Yes, what you need to do, you have to size your actuator. You have to size it off and see if it's going to fit on your car. Yes, my own, I fix it. I put the fender, I'm putting this behind it and see if it is touching the fender. Then you adjust it down or up as you want and make sure that it's aligned with the hole that you want to use there. So I get that done, then I mark it like this. So I mark it like this, and then this is not strong enough, so I am going to reinforce it first before I can tight anything on it. So right now I'm going to take a template of this. Yes, I'm going to make a template now. So let me get it make, then I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, you can see I make a temporary template, yes, like this. So right now I'm going to untape it and place it on this carton like so. Place it here like this, then I'm going to trim it. Okay guys, so I make my template finish from this cardboard and then place it. I can see it's too short, so I use this to make this, and this is it. Like this is perfect. This is how it's going to be. Yes, so right now I'm going to duplicate this on the metal iron. Okay guys, so I finished cutting it. So right now I am going to dress it and then clean it up so that wet can hold it in place. Let me get that done. Okay guys, so this is the other one. I tack it in place. You see that? Right now I am going to fully wet it, so I'll get it wet and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, I fully welded it. You can see it's been fully welded. So I put on my shocks like so, and I'm going to size how far I want it to go up. So I have one side, two side, and the middle side. So I am going to bow the middle side and thread it with my drilling bit. I have some drilling bit here and tap which I'm going to use. So I'm going to use it and I'll get you guys back on. Okay, I got it tight, so I am going to test it out by lifting it up and put it in place. Yes, there's no any other person to film me, but I'm going to do it and you're going to see it at the end. So let me get it fixed. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so you can see it. Yes, I put that because it really didn't hold it. I don't want to, doing the video and the thing comes down. That's why I decided to put that. Yes, so right now everything is in place. I've marked it. You can see the other side is in place. So right now I am going to lose this and then paint this. Yes, so I'll get it done real quick. Okay guys, yes, I get it painted. You can see it all the way. Yes, right now I am going to install it, but before I install it I got to make the other side the same way too. Yeah, so I am going to copy everything there and put it on here. Let me get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see I got it done. Right now I am going to begin to tighten it. Yes, I have the shock here, the actuator and the shocks. So I first of all tighten the shocks. Yes, I can't do it with my two hands, with my one hand, so I'm going to do it and then get you guys back on. Okay guys, so you can see I get this tight and tight. The other one is in place. You see that with the cone that follow it comes. Yes, so on this side it's giving me third time because this must not touch the body of this. Yes, so getting some washer to brace it, you have to fabricate it. I am on it. Yes, I'm on it. Then I'll get it done and I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, you can see how I get it tight. Yes, it's a Logic 13 bolt wash, and there's no washer here. 13 knot washer, big bolt washer, cone, yes, ring, and that's it. And this plate, and the other side is a two washer, one bolt, another bolt to hold it in place. You see that? So it's can easily open now, but you can't take it up right now. To take it up I have to test it with manually. Yes, I'm going to test it now for you guys to see, and let's see how it goes up. Yeah, so right now we're going to test it out from the beginning. So it's because I've not put the stopper. Yes, you can see there's no stopper there, so that's why as I'm raising it up, the door is wanting to go, and I don't want it to scratch the pillar. Yes, I don't want it to scratch the pillar there, so that is it. So right now I am going to couple it, bring it down, couple it, and couple everywhere, you know, just the way I lose it. Put the remote, put the module. Maybe I'm going to show you how to install the module. It's a pretty straightforward something. So change it. Okay guys, so I removed the auto actuator out because I want to install the stopper. Yes, to install the stopper, just tie it in place. I'm just going to tie it in place. Yes, and so, and make sure you tight it pretty tight first. Yes, it's very important. Tie it, hand tie it. Yes, then you take a marker. Yes, and then open the door. Yes, I've already set this in place to where how far you want the door to open first. Yes, so you're going to open it to the last edges you want the door to open reach. So then you hold it in place and then you try to mark it. Yes, mark it. I don't know, can you see that? Okay, you're gonna mark it there. Don't mark the outside one, you mark the inner one. So I'll try to mark it because you have to also hold it in place so that it will not go back. So I'll get that done. I'll get you guys back on. Okay guys, so I get this one cut right now. I'm going to cut this. Yes, I cut one, so I'm going to make the other one to be identical. Marking it already. Going to cut it with my angle. Okay, yes, I get it cut. You see the two, the same thing. So I am going to tight it on and test it out. Yeah, like so. The other side. And fully tight it. Acquire adjustment. Tight it fully. We're going to test it out. Yeah, like that. Open it, finish, then up. You see that? That's it. You can see the stopper there. So okay, now, yes, you can see guys, everything is intact with the stopper there. So right now I'm going to install my actuator. Yes, I'm going to install it back in place. So I'll get it installed and I'll get you guys back on. Hey guys, so I want to point out some things to you guys because it's kind of not easy. Yes, so this is what we got because the one that came with the kit is not working, so we have to get this central lock module. So you can't just connect it, yes, easily. No, I have to modify it, open it up and see how it works and modify it, yes, before it can work for what we want it to work for. So right now I'm about to connect it. Yes, if you want to know about it, you can leave a comment below the video or you chat me up on my WhatsApp channel, then I'll give you some diagram how to go about it. Yeah, and this is the remote we got. Yes, for the other one we have two buttons. Yes, because we have to get one for this side and one for the other side. That's the way to do it if you don't have the module available. So I'm not saying you can't get the module, you can get it. If you check online, it's online. Yes, with 4 buttons, you will see 4 buttons, right and left and right, and open and close. Yes, so right now I'm about to connect it. I'm going to connect it, wire it inside, connect it to the door lock. Yes, when it open it work, when the door is closed it will not work. So I'm going to connect it and I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, okay guys, so you can see I wire the cable all the way inside here and it entered the car. Yes, it entered the car and it came out there. You can see this 2 wire from the actuator. So it entered the module and the wire, the current wire. So I make a relay here. Yes, you can see this relay. This will control the opening of the car. When the car is open, you can operate the actuator. When it's not, you can't. So I'll connect it to this wire now, find the cable and I'll connect it. So let me get it connected. I'll get you guys back on. Guys, I finished everything. I finished coupling it and everything worked fine. Yes, you can see the two door is up, but I've not put in the fender, so you wait guys. I will test it out for you when I put the fender, but I can sneak it for you now, like so. You see, bring down close, you see that, then up, you see that. So that's it. I'm going to get it coupled, then I'll get you guys back on. Yeah, okay guys, yes, this is it. I get it done. You can see everything is perfect. So right now we're going to test it out. Yes, by pressing lock, you see that. Right. And then you're going to close it. Yes, that is it. And on the other side, we're going to open it and then open, so it will go. Yes, like so, like that. Yes, that is it. You can see it. That is how it works. So that is it guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.